Yesterday, Peter and Alex built the trash removal machine to clear all the trash from the river. Now, the river is clean again.
Let's give the pigs some water. Here, drink this. They must be really thirsty. What happened to my pigs? Why the water is still too dirty?
Look, that factory. Its wastewater is poisoning the river.
How can we make the water safe again?
I have an idea.
How to filter the river water. We'll add 3 filters in this place, and the agitator in this place. First, take the trash removal machine out. Now, make the impurity filters. Coarse gravel. Cotton fabric. Activated carbon. Place 3 filters into the polluted river. Number 2. Build the agitator. Lego mesh panel. Rotating mechanism. Supporting columns. Place the agitator into the river. Impurity filters. Gravel removes large particles like sand and debris. Activated carbon absorbs odors and toxins. Cotton traps fine dust and small particles. Now, add some disinfectant powder here. After removing impurities, after adding cleaning agent.
Let's drink this, piggy. Our village is green again.
What should we do with that factory?
You've been arrested for illegal sewage dumping.
Serves that crook right.
Hello?
There's a car accident here. Please help.
We're coming.
Let's cross the road quickly.
Oh no, I need to call an ambulance.
How to build the ambulance train? Step 1. Build the clinic train carriage. Install the motor. Check operation. Install medical equipments. Intravenous drip. Hospital bed. Wheelchair. Attach to the locomotive. Step 2. Build the X-ray train carriage. Install X-ray equipments. X-ray monitor. Attach 2 parts. Testing. Step 3. Connect 2 train carriages.
Ambulance 24/7 is here.
She's here, doctor.
Let's remove the stains first.
Next, check her condition. Everything is fine. Luckily, you're good now.
Thank you, doctor.
It's so hot. I'm dying of thirst.
Oh my god!
Ambulance 247 is here. The patient needs IV fluids. Next, get an X-ray for fractures.
You're already okay now.
Thanks, doctor.
This patient just fell into a glacier. Defrosting, check. X-ray, check. No signs of fracture detected. Your condition is better now.
Wow! Thank you, doctor.
Help me.
Ambulance 24/7 is here.
Welcome to the fishing competition, where fishing enthusiasts will test their skills. Who will emerge victorious today?
Victory is mine.
No one can beat me.
Good luck to all the contestants.
Level 1. Sport fishing.
Nothing can stop me.
Woohoo! Oh yeah!
That's great.
It's impossible.
How to build the fishing machine. Step 1. Build the spinning board. Step 2. Build the motor housing. Install the gear. Step 3. Install the fish pieces. Each fish pieces has a magnetic pellet in its mouth. Let's attach the fish to the hole that has been prepared. Connect to the battery box. Testing the spinning board. Great, it works really smoothly. I have created 2 more spinning boards. Step 4. Set up the fishing machine. I will use a fishing rod to catch these fish.
I give up.
Time's up. I'll check the results right now. Wow, that's really surprising. Congratulations to Alex for catching 7 fish. Oh yeah! And Tony, who has caught all the fish. Woohoo! It's a shame Lisa hasn't caught any fish yet. Now let's move on to the next round.
Level 2. Professional fishing.
Let's see who is a good fisherman.
I will definitely be the winner. Come on, come on. Great, the fish has taken the bait. Oh no, nothing but seaweed.
Your fishing rod is too small to catch the fish. Watch my performance. Great. You lost.
No way. Modern fishing rod. Fish cannot escape.
Wow! Oh yeah!
Now, the real battle begins.
Oh yeah!
Wonderful.
Have all the fish escaped?
Look what I've got, Puryu.
Are you kidding me?
You are really mean.
Oh my God, they have violated the rules. Today, we don't have the winner.
Ocean Research Station.
Please take me up to the White House. This storm is too strong. Help me, this crane is broken.
How to build the automation stair lift. Step 1. Build the folding rail. Then attach the rail to the ship. Step 2. Build the moving platform. Motor. Battery box. Place the platform on the rail. Our stair lift needs 3 rails in total. Now add the lifting mechanisms to the tank. Ocean Research Station.
I need to get to the White House urgently.
Please wait a moment, Professor. Now let's raise the stair lift. Please step onto it. Professor has safely arrived.
What a convenient lift, thank you.
And where do you want to go?
We want to go to floor 2 of the research station.
Please wait. The lift will move now.
Let's go.
Huh?
What happened?
This motor is too weak. I'll change to a stronger motor.
Weak motor. Stronger motor.
The lift has been upgraded. Please step onto the platform.
Wow.
So fast.
Let's quickly go down to the second floor, buddy. I want to return to the mainland.
The cargo containers are here. All the containers have been neatly placed in the port.
Alex is a pitiful poor man. So today, I'm gonna build him a dream bed-shaped villa with a supermarket, gaming room, swimming pool and other fancy stuff a true billionaire would have. But first, I need a large plot of land and a large acrylic tank for the secret action I've planned at the end. Alright, time to stock up the shelf. I've got all these little sodas, cartons of milk and juice boxes, and even a few snack packs ready to put in. I want to make sure everything's perfectly lined up by color, shape, and shelf height behind these glass doors, because this isn't just stocking, it's shelf art. Now, place the 2 drink shelves into the supermarket and watch Alex enjoy them. Next, I'm gonna set up shelves full of my favorite brands of drink, fast food, and snacks. And of course, this brand sign is indispensable. So, this is my very own 7-Eleven. Now, time to set up the home theater. First, I need a super large OLED TV with Squid Game figures inside. Then I add 2 speakers, a sofa, and a pair of armchairs. And just like that, our home cinema is complete. Alex enjoys the movie so much. To make it more like a living room, I also build a luxury aquarium and place it behind the sofa. Let's see if it can actually hold real water. With the remaining space, I put in a bookshelf, a soft drinks shelf, and a Lego collection shelf. Tada! The secret room under the bed is done. Next, I build the outer walls for the bed, attach a special part, and place 2 more bed posts. Once this wall is done, I'll get to work on the machine that can lift the bed surface. To make the machine, I will need a Technic gear rack 1/4 circle 11 by 11. When the gear rotates, it drives the rack to move, lifting or lowering the bed. Now I just need to add the axle, add a motor, then connect everything to the battery box. And done! Now I'm gonna install the lifting device into these 2 holes and connect it to the battery. Let's see. Yep, it's working perfectly. Since the supermarket and fancy living room are finished, I'll build more rooms so our lucky Alex can eat, chill, and live like a king. Next up is my favorite part of this villa, the gaming room. I have 4 awesome arcade machines here, from racing, temple run, and slots, to brick block puzzle. And of course, I have a foosball table too. Let's give it a quick test. Alex and his girlfriend are seriously into that foosball game. Right next to the gaming room, I built a high-end garage fully stocked with tools, helmets, tires, and all kinds of racing gear. Now, add the glass doors for the gaming room, and the auto door for the garage. And that's all for the first floor. Alright, we've just filled up all the secret rooms, and 7-Eleven on the first floor. Now we're ready for the second floor. First things first, in this bathroom, I've got a large white bathtub, a wave painting to give it that spa vibe, a modern sink setup, and a high-tech toilet. So chill, he's living better than me for sure. Behind the glass door, I also built him a $1 million bedroom with a king-size bed, a top-tier streaming setup with 3 monitors, a webcam, soundproof walls, and even a VR play zone. A luxury life needs a healthy body too, so at the foot of the bed, I also built him a home gym with lots of equipment, so he can work out every day without worrying about being watched. Now, to cover the top of the bed, I set up a helipad on the second floor roof, and a swimming pool right on the bed surface, for our couple to splash and chill on sunny days. And the final feature is a go-kart racetrack around the bed, to fulfill Alex's dream of becoming an F1 racer. The bed-shaped villa is officially done. Now it's time to test if our supermarket can survive this massive flood. Okay, the goods are basically still intact on the shelves. And most importantly, despite everything, Alex stays chill as always.